good people? It's Tokiti. Ever wondered why your vegetables lose color after you finished cooking? Keep it locked in this video and you'll definitely learn how to preserve their color. So you are supposed to prepare your vegetables. I'll use green beans and carrots for this video and remove the tips of the green beans. Set aside your green beans and you're going to peel your carrots one by one. So we'll use 2 carrots for this because I want my carrots to be more. The next thing, we're going to slice our carrots and you're going to get the thinly shaped sizes. Put all your vegetables in a pot, add some water, a pinch of salt, or as much as you want, and bring everything to boil. Look at the color of the vegetables. Wow, amazing. The green is greening and the yellow is yellowing. So make sure you taste your vegetables if they are cooked. And if you want to add some flavor, you can toast this in a pan with some onions, or you can choose to serve them as they are. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.